I'm telling you to loosen up my buttons, baby, but you keep frontin', saying what you gon' do to me, but I ain't seen nothing. I'm telling you to loosen up my buttons, baby, but you keep frontin', saying what you gon' do to me, but I ain't seen nothing. Typical and hardly the type.
Hey guys, so on this week's Tuesday tutorial we're teaching buttons. So what you're gonna do is it starts off by doing a triple step forward. So starting with your right foot. So you take your right foot and you go triple step, and then take your left foot, and then you're gonna do triple step right there. Triple step. Okay, so after you do that the second triple step with your left foot, you're gonna do this kind of switch foot move, which is probably one of the most difficult moves to do in this line dance, but overall pretty easy once you get the hang of it. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your right foot, step forward, so you have your weight in your right foot, then you're going to put your weight back in your left foot and step back with your right foot. Then you're going to once you put your right foot, you're going to switch and put your left weight on your left foot and then step forward to your right. This sets you up to do the next part, where you're gonna turn, so you're facing your right side, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna pop your hip out. It's kind of important that, the hip hop here is actually gonna help you with your timing, because if you don't do this part, you either have to pause or you'll be off for the rest of the line dance. So the easiest way is honestly just to pop your hip out, which is the perfect amount of time to do that. So what you're going to do is you're going to do this grapevine movement to your right. So you're going to take your right foot, step out to your right, then you're going to take your left foot, step behind your right foot, and then bring your right foot out again, and then you're going to take your left foot, step in front of your right foot, and then bring your right leg out again. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take your right foot, tap your heel diagonally right, bring your foot back, take your left foot, tap it diagonally left, and then you can do this one more time. So one more time with your right foot, one more time with your left foot. Then this is kind of where it gets fun. You're gonna booty drop right here. So you're gonna do, the first time you do it, you do one booty drop. So you're gonna drop it. Okay guys, so after you do that booty drop, what you're gonna do is you're gonna do this swivel movement, swiveling on your left foot. So you'll step, it's essentially 2 steps with your right foot swivel. Let me kind of show you how to do that. So take your right foot, and you kind of bring it around, and then you're swiveling on that left foot. Do it one more time. So you're ending facing the exact same direction. It's basically a 360 turn, but you're swiveling on your left foot. And for timing, works better to do it twice. Use your right foot to swivel around twice. Okay, so after you've done the swivel movement on your left foot and your back facing the same direction, you're going to do this box step like turn. So what you're going to do is take your right foot, you're going to step over your left foot, and then your left foot is going to step back just a little bit. Your right foot is going to step back out here, and then your left foot is going to turn this direction. So that's the 90 degree turn. From there, you're going to take your right foot, bring it behind your left foot, hop onto your right foot. It's like a rock step, and then put your weight back onto your left foot, feet together. Then you're going to bring your left foot behind your right foot, hop onto your left foot, put your weight back onto your right foot, feet together like this, and then the song will restart. With buttons, what you'll see though is, so the first time you go around, you do one booty drop. After the movement where you do heel, right heel, left heel, right heel, left heel, one booty drop. The second time, typically you'll see 2 booty drops here. So it'll be 1, 2, and then instead of doing the swivel movement that I was showing you, when you've done 2, you just go right into the box step to keep with the timing. So after you've done 2 booty drops the second time, again you go right over left, and then do this movement here. Typically the third time, that you'll go through this, you'll do 3 booty drops at this section. So again, after you've done right, left, you'll go 1, 2, 3. And then in order to keep it the timing, instead of doing this box step, you're just gonna turn, do a 90-degree turn facing here, and then go into these rock steps. But honestly, this line dance is really fluid. You can really do, I've seen people do variations of those. Usually, again, like the basic rule is, first time you go through, it's 1 booty drop, do the swivel. Second time, it's 2 booty drops, go right into the box step. When you do 3 booty drops, you just turn and restart. But you can switch that up if you want. You can do any of those variations.